Today, we're diving into an incredible resource that can help you learn the piano faster than ever before. Let's explore how it can transform your piano learning experience. A top-rated Android application for learning piano focuses on providing an engaging and efficient way for users to master the instrument quickly. It typically features a user-friendly interface that allows beginners to navigate easily through lessons and exercises. The app often includes a variety of tutorials, sheet music, and video lessons to cater to different learning styles. Additionally, it incorporates interactive elements such as real-time feedback, where users can receive guidance on their performance. Gamification elements may also be present, making the learning process fun and motivating. This application often covers various musical genres and techniques, helping users develop a well-rounded skill set. Overall, it aims to make piano learning accessible and enjoyable for everyone, from complete novices to those looking to refine their skills. Thank you for joining us. We hope this overview has inspired you to take the plunge and start your piano journey with this fantastic application. Happy playing!